Simply Songs is a Banjo Adventures exclusive, and it is designed to do one thing, and that is to get you playing the songs that you love in the shortest time possible. It is great for new and beginner banjo players and for visual learners who may struggle with standard tablature. Let me explain how it works. The layout is very simple. There are 5 lines on the screen, each one represents your banjo strings. So we've got string 5, 4, 3, 2 and string 1. All the notes of a song are contained within these rectangles, which are called measures. Some people call them bars. And there are only 2 types of notes that you will see on a Simply Songs tab. The first type of note is a quarter note, and that is represented by the number 0 with a wick. And it sounds like this. The other type of notes that you will see are called bum ditty notes, and they are wickless, so there are no wicks. And they sound like this. So the measure on the screen right now should sound like this. Fretted notes will appear as numbers which aren't 0. So for example, on the screen now, the middle string is fretted at the 2nd fret. Should sound like this. So altogether, both measures on the screen should sound like this. The lyrics are written below the measures, and typically the syllables of the words will land on the notes. You are my sunshine. Chords are super bright and colourful, and you cannot miss them. The G is represented by white and the C chord is in green. You make me happy. In some songs you will see what are called repeater symbols, and repeater symbols are shown by a thick line with 2 black dots on the sections that are to be repeated. So in this example it should sound like this. The tuning of the strings will be shown on the left, and the key of the tune will be shown as the first chord in the first measure at the start of the song. The most common time signature for a lot of old-time banjo songs is called common time, and it is shown by the 4/4 on the very first measure. All that means is there are 4 beats per measure. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and. Another popular time signature is called waltz time, and that is shown by the 3/4 on the first measure. And all that means is that each measure has 3 beats rather than 4. And the way we play a waltz time rhythm is, instead of bum ditty, we play bum ditty ditty, and it sounds like this. The song on the screen should sound like this. Let's add the lyrics. Amazing grace, how sweet the sound. Another time signature is called 6/8 time. It is commonly used in jigs, in sea shanties and in ballads. You'll notice the measures are a lot bigger, and the rhythm for this goes bum ditty bum ditty bum, and it should sound like this. So let's play the example on the screen. Let's add the lyrics back in. Are you going to Scarborough Fair? Layering techniques. So once you have learnt the Simply Songs format, what you can then do is start adding in some of the more advanced techniques that you'll find on the tab. So for example, here in the song Scarborough Fair, we are suggesting to play a hammer on. So now you can play the Simply Songs version and then add in the hammer on as your first layer of technique. So let's give it a try. This is You Are My Sunshine. So that is the Simply Songs method. Be sure to check out my full library of Simply Songs at banjoadventures.com. And if you don't see a song on there that you would like to see, be sure to let me know and I might just add it in the future.